Hello there ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Today we are trying out the brand new money making app Cat Island. Guys, I'm going to fill you in on a spoiler straight off the bat. This app is a scam. And I will be explaining to you why this app is a scam throughout this video, okay? Now, the great thing is about Cat Island everyone is that it says you need $200 PayPal reward, okay? So you need to get $200 worth of the PayPal rewards here to actually cash out. So I'm on 79.24, okay? Which you think, that's pretty good. That's pretty solid, guys. But when you start getting down to the nitty-gritty of the app, but besides the facade that it tries to pull off that you're winning heaps of PayPal cash, let's have a look here at the real currency, shall we? So, okay, diamonds. I have 1,437, whatever, you know what I mean, 1,437 diamonds. Only worth 12 real life cents, okay? Now, I need 60,000 diamonds to get a $5 Play Store gift card. It gets better. $10 is 1,200, or, not 1,200, 120,000. $50 is 600,000. A $100 reward card. 1.2 million. Okay? 1.2 million of the diamonds. We are only on 1,437, that gives us 12 cents. So, this is the best bit. We'll play now, you ready? Let's try this app out together, okay? Remember, it's a $200 cash out limit. Let's begin. Oh, I can't wait for this, everyone. I can't wait for you guys to see this app. This is brand new, by the way. This is going to be hitting the Play Store any moment. You are going to be spammed with ads like this. Like with this app, by the way. Just an FYI, everyone. Just remember that, okay? The apps will be hammering you. The advertisements will be hammering you. So, I've just captured a PayPal fish. Now, what the PayPal fish does, it rewards me with PayPal money. The problem is, we have to watch an ad every single time we want to actually collect the PayPal reward. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, Vince, that's great, dude. Like, that's easy. I'll gladly watch a couple of ads. Do you know what the problem is, everyone? When you get to the point, alright, when you get to the point of actually having $200 to cash out PayPal reward, okay? The app actually has another set of requirements. I kid you not. There is another set of requirements. I saw this on another video here on YouTube because someone actually got to the end. They got to the end, right, of this app. And do you know what the requirements is? I'm fairly sure you are meant to actually sit through about, if I'm correct, right? If I'm correct, I think it was either 1,200 ads, so 1,200 ads, or 12,000. I didn't see the right, I can't remember the exact number, but it's a complete scam. What you are seeing in front of us now, as I said, is the facade, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So this is all rubbish. This is all garbage. This is not the real app. Like, it makes you think you're going to win heaps of cash, but it's not. Unless the video I saw was lying to me, which I really don't think it was, this is legitimately a scam app through and through. It gives you the little fishing minigame, but that's it. So, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Like, if you are thinking you're going to be trying out Cat Island to win heaps of cash, you are going to be so wrong. It's not funny. Please, guys, do not get scammed by Cat Island. Developer of this app, you should be ashamed. You are scamming so many people just to try and get a few $100s from advertising. I can't express how sad it makes me that people are exploiting the systems like this, guys. It devastates me. It really does. So now apparently we have a PayPal reward here of the little fishes. I'm spamming right now. It's not really getting me anywhere. Oh, dude, those little fishes. Guys, those little fishes only gave me a couple of cents of the real life money. That is hilarious. Now, there's a reason why I'm not watching the ads, guys. Because as I said to you, like, the rewards get smaller. And you have to still watch either 1,200 ads or 12,000 ads to actually claim the reward bonus. So, or the cash out, sorry. It's a complete joke. You can just tell by the way this app's designed that it's a joke, guys. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand that this app is a scam, bro. And then it comes up with collect, so it stops you from actually capturing the fish. See how every time I try and capture or go fishing, it brings up this collect screen? So I couldn't even capture all the rewarded mini games fish then. So what a waste. What an absolute waste of time. $6.82. Look, I'm going to start collecting. We'll start watching the ads together here, okay? I'm just going to mute this. Let me just mute this stupid ad. Yeah, look, guys. This Cat Island, it's another scam. 100%. There's no reviews at all, right, on this app, right? Because it's just brand new. Look at these people on the screen, by the way, screaming and carrying on, acting like this is real. I mean, look at this. This is so satire. Look at this. People are thinking it's real. These are some random Australian guys, man. They don't care. I'm angry, dude. I'm angry. I don't like how these apps still are allowed on the Play Store. I'm hopefully saving some of you guys out there so much time. Look, $6. Let's watch another ad. It's just constant advertisements, everyone. That's all this app turns into. This is why I'm not watching video ads on the camera right now. Because this is literally the whole app. This is it, everyone. I really hope you all understand it. I can't even skip this ad. How do I skip this ad? It's a 30-second ad, dude. It's legitimately a 30-second ad. What do you do? But what do you do? You have no choice. You just have to watch the ads to get through this. Now, you explain to me why anyone would even waste their time with apps like this. Like, it's all a joke. But yeah, apparently, people still think it's legit. And I feel bad for them. I really, really do. I feel bad for them. These apps are not legit, my friends. Not at all. What's this? Congratulations. $5.94 collect. Ad relieve. What's going on right now? What's even happening? I guess I failed the mission then because I collected too much junk. You'll notice every single time it offers you to watch an ad. Like, every time you go to the main screen, get $5 PayPal money, watch an ad. Because that's the trick. I do ask of all of you guys out there to please search Cat Island up on YouTube and check out that video that shows you guys the actual cash out page. I refuse to get scammed by this app on camera. I'm not going to do it. To the guy that actually sat there and watched like 200 advertisements, you are a legend, man. Because it's just a scam. It makes me so sad, so angry. You can tell how scam this is. Look at this. It keeps telling me to watch a video ad to get the rewards. That's a sure sign right there that there's a problem. As soon as an app tells you have to watch an ad to get a reward, it literally advertises that you're going to be able to do anyway, so win money. If they put a paywall in front of you, you know it's a scam. Straight up, bro. Straight up. Look, play again. Watch the ad. No, thank you. Just a joke. Look, I constantly have prompts that I have free money, free money, free money. You know it's a scam, boys and girls. You know it is. Deep down, we all know it's a scam, okay? Let's be real. I just can't wait for the people to actually start reviewing this app because it is brand new. This app is brand new, everyone. So the advertising budget on this app is going through the roof right now. I keep seeing ads for it over and over again. So I'm sure you guys have seen ads for it as well. But yeah, fingers crossed. I should hopefully be able to save us for all time. But I'm trying to capture as much of the cents as I can here. There you go. I'm up to $92 apparently right now. What a joke. What an absolute disgusting scam. Developer, I hope you're ashamed of yourself, brother. Seriously, putting up those paywall limits to cash out. Grow up. And I hope your app gets deleted. Alright everyone, thank you very much for watching. That's going to be the end of Cat Island. Avoid it like the plague, okay? Stay safe out there. Don't get ripped off by these PayPal scams. See you next time.